Here's how to withdraw money from a CaixaBank ATM. 1. Go to any CaixaBank ATM. Make sure it displays the CaixaBank logo. These are usually blue and yellow machines. 2. Insert your debit or credit card. Place your card in the slot with the chip facing up and follow the on-screen instructions. 3. Choose your language. Select English or your preferred language from the screen. 4. Enter your PIN. Use the keypad to type your 4-digit PIN, then press enter or OK. 5. Select withdraw cash. Tap cash withdrawal or withdraw money. 6. Choose the account if asked, for example checking or savings. 7. Enter the amount. Type the amount you want to withdraw and confirm. 8. Take your cash. Wait a few seconds, the ATM will dispense your money. 9. Take your card and receipt. Don't forget to remove both before leaving.